Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll create a focus space now. Open OneNote, sign in, and make a notebook called Tasks No Delay. Once done, add sections for work, personal, and meetings. This keeps context separate and reduces cognitive load. Create a page per project immediately so every task has a home. Make sure sync is active. If sync fails later, you'll lose updates. By starting with structure and sync enabled, you set up a reliable workflow that scales as you add tasks. Next, populate pages with actionable items. Type tasks and convert them to checkboxes. Tag each with important, question, or follow-up so you can filter later. Once tagged, add due dates in the note text or link the task to Outlook to get calendar reminders. Use tables to track status, estimates, and owners. Create subpages for task phases to avoid long pages. When you consistently tag and date tasks, retrieval becomes fast, and you reduce duplication across projects. Finish by making review a habit. Perform a weekly sweep. Tick completed items, reschedule stalled tasks, and reprioritize. This closes the loop. Once reviews are routine, automate repetitive work with page templates, quick notes, and Outlook rules to push emails into OneNote. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Force a sync, sign out and back in, or export the page to a backup. If storage or account limits block sync, free space or use a new section to continue work and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.